Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing 2 boxes of 14-15 Masterpiece Hockey. There's one, there's the other. We will start it off with our list of winners and their respective teams. And just remember that 2 people from this break will get in on a free 12-13 limited break. 108 is the break number, serial number ending in 7809 and 7885. I'll just quickly go over these. 7885, 7809. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to random.org, and then I'm going to show you the teams. Everybody's in there. There's the time, by the way, also. Everybody's in there 3 times, for each whole list. The list is in there 3 times. I'll take the top name and the bottom name after 4 clicks, and that will make those 2 people winners of a spot in that break to be done further down the road when I get it filled. So before I start this, I'm going to do the randoms, just because I got to frig the camera around, up and down, over and around. I'm going to show it kind of close up here. First, if I can get this moving here, sorry. Okay, so there are the teams. And they are in there, or the winners, not the teams, sorry. The winners of the auctions. And let's do that right now. Number 1. I'm on top. I don't count in this. I should have taken me out. And on the bottom is Jeffrey. Number 2. Pie and Vikings. Number 3, Les Bodis and Jeffrey. Okay, here we go. Number 4. So we got Jeffrey on top. And we got Jeffrey on the bottom. And you can see that it's 4 times. And there's the time. Date and timestamp. Okay, congratulations, Jeffrey 67407. You will get, and then 2 entries into a 12-13 limited break, to be done at a later time, of course. Okay, let's get back to these. Okay, let's get right into it. Masterpieces. I've opened one box. I opened a box for myself, to have a look at it, and yeah, it's not bad stuff. Haven't seen a whole lot of it on for auctions. I'm going to open the other box here just to get them going, move this along a little bit. Yeah, I haven't seen a whole lot of auctions for breaks for it. box. I've got a couple cases of it, and I'll be doing 2 boxes at a time. Hopefully that'll work out good for everybody. Okay, there we go. I can stop beating the camera around. Nathan MacKinnon for the Colorado Avalanche, and that's Jeffrey 67407. Masterpiece, black and white portraits. And then we've got John LeClair, scored the winning goal, blah blah blah. That's, what do they call it, timeline or something like that. So, John LeClair from Montreal, and that goes to Adams Logic Cards. Adams Logic Cards. Congratulations. We'll get them straightened around here in a minute. Rookie, Vladislav Neminskov for the Bolts, Jeffrey 67407. Wow, I was just watching the Chicago game and they're down 4-0. Anaheim's down 4-0, I should say. We got Wayne Gretzky for the Edmonton Oilers, D Block 80. Congrats. Yeah, not good. Unless you're a Chicago fan. And as you all know, I'm neither. We got a nice thick card here coming. And speaking of Chicago, that's a pretty sweet patch there too. Corey Crawford. Wow, that's just bulging. That won't stay in. Masterpieces. $5 of $25. Going out to Jeffrey. Just see how that bulges out of there. Pretty sweet. Congrats. Nothing like a good patch, huh? Gotta like it. For Montreal, we got Thomas Plekanec, an auto. Very nice. Not numbered, I'm sure. For Pittsburgh and WMAC 22, we got Gino, Evgeny Malkin, black and white portraits, or something like that. For the Bruins, timeline, Phil Esposito. Or, sorry, Phil Esposito. Brad Park. What am I doing? Seen the hair, I guess. Never really looked at it. And that looks like a base pack to me. For Chicago again, Patrick Kane, timeline. Oh, timeline. Wire photos, I guess they're called. What's that one called? Wire photos, yeah. My bad. I like to name things differently. Put my own name to them. Especially if I can't pronounce that name, huh? There's Mr. Gretzky again. Black and white portraits for the Oilers. For Philadelphia, Bruce H01, Scott Lawton. Nice jersey in there. Congrats. And a wire Alex Galchenyuk for Montreal. Oh my, come on. We got rookies. Leon Draisaitl. Close enough. For Edmonton. Yeah, we're almost through one box. I think I've been taking from the same pile. Not sure. We got a base pack. You guys joined me on, geez, 2 base packs in a row. On Thursday night, I've got a 5-box mixer. I've got a couple more boxes of this. I think that's it. And then Saturday night, another 5 boxes of Ultimate Collection, and I believe another couple boxes of this. Wow, hitting base packs pretty heavy here now. They kept them all right down to the end, I guess. Oh, we've got a red Phil Kessel. Going out to Jeffrey. And the Toronto Maple Leafs, of course. So, that's our first box is done. Let's get right to the second one. I'll just move those out of the way also. For the Islanders, pardon me, Prefer 101486W, John Tavares, jersey. And we've got a redemption. Let's just get that one off the bottom there. Redemption going out to, it's a black framed leather base auto, numbered to 6. Jerome McGinley, and I'm guessing it's for the Bruins. No, for the Avalanche. I will check it out to make sure, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Going out to Jeffrey. And Jeffrey, if you just want the code for that, you can just let me know and I will email it directly to you. Tonight would be a nice card. Out of 6. Okay, we got Pete Peters. Wire photos for the Bruins. Base. Oh, here comes a red one. Joey Hishin, Colorado. Red border. Something. Congrats. And for the Bruins, we got a Bobby Orr, black and white portraits. Another base pack. There's 4 or 5 of them, I guess. Vladislav Nemechkov again. For the Bolts, and for LA we've got Jeff Carter. Nice jersey. LA. He is fast focused 33-11. Congrats. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Dougie Gilmour, wire photos. Base. Evgeny Malkin, black and white. I think we had one of those before also. That's a black Evander Kane for Winnipeg. Sean 197 for US. And that's number 20 out of 50. And obviously I'll go back through the base ones to make sure I haven't missed anything like that. Sometimes it happens. And the base back. Last pack. Here we go. Oh, nice. Nathan McKinnon. And it's a red border, black and white photos. That's number 20 out of 100. Of course, for the Avalanche. And then for LA, Fast Focus 3311, another wire photo. Anze Kopitar. And that's all she wrote. So there you have it, folks. Hopefully you can join me next week and Thursday and Saturday again for some more of the same. Hopefully I'll see you there. Till then, have a good weekend and happy bidding.